Welcome to John Lewis Memory School. In this presentation, I'm going to explain you how you can make use of my Learning Assistant app for learning any subject in any class. So here I have downloaded the Learning Assistant app from Google Play Store. So if you are not able to find it in Google Play Store, you can go to the description box of this video. By clicking the link given there, you can download it from Google Play Store straight away. So here you can see top row, second one, this Learning Assistant app. I'm just clicking on it. So it is opening up. Now if you click one of the buttons at the bottom row, you will get various subjects of various classes. Suppose you are studying 10th standard and you want to learn geography and soil, you can choose that particular topic. So here you can see the second one is CBSE 10 geography soil. It is not only for CBSE, the soil chapter is common and the same for ICSE and also for all the state boards. So I'm just clicking on it. You will get a page, opening page like this. So there is a blue screen, so in which all the keywords will appear, and at the bottom you can see automatic, given order and time gap. So when you are learning for the first time, don't keep it in automatic. By sliding the sliding button to the left, you can keep it on tap. That means by clicking on the blue screen, on tapping the blue screen, you will get those words. And always keep in the given order. And time gap, you can use time gap as 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds when you keep the top button as automatic. But when you keep it on tap, you need not worry about the time gap. See, suppose if you keep it automatic and the time gap you set it as 1 second, for every 1 second automatically the word will change. But once by sliding the top button you keep it on tap, so the time gap button will not work. So only by tapping on the blue screen that will change. Okay, now what you can do is you can click the start button now. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to tap the blue screen. Okay, the first word is soil. We are going to learn about soil in this chapter. So in what context this word soil had come? So on the blue screen on top right corner, what you can see two symbols. One is I, the other one is book. If you click the book button, but just by touching the book button, so the card will flip. At the back side of the card, you can see the context of it. What is the importance of soil? Soil is a critical, renewable, natural resource essential for plant growth and supporting various life forms. Okay, suppose you want to learn and remember this one. What you can do? Again, you click or you touch that book symbol, the card will flip back. Okay, soil. And if you want to see the image of the soil, you can click the I button. So near the book on top, to the left of the book symbol, what you can see an eye. So by clicking that eye symbol, you can get the picture of the soil. Okay, so like this for each and every word, what you can do, you can flip the page or you can flip the card and see the context or the question and answer. And by clicking the I button, you can see the image for that particular word. So I'm closing it. Now soil, just imagine we are learning about soil. And what is the question? What is the importance of soil? What is the answer? It's a critical, renewable, natural resource essential for plant growth and supporting various forms of or various life forms. Again, I'm clicking back. Now, on tapping the blue screen anywhere, you will get the second word. So what is it? So soil is a critical, renewable. Suppose you want to see it as a picture, you can click the I button and you will get this one. It is a critical and renewable. And if you click the next button, natural resource. So if you click the I button, so this is a natural resource on the surface of the earth planet. It is a natural resource. So critical, renewable and natural resource. Okay, so next one, if you click plant growth. So what it supports, say if you want to learn, so on what context the plant growth comes, again you click the book page, book symbol, flip the card, now you read it again. Soil is a critical, renewable, natural resource essential for plant growth. So what is soil essential for? For plant growth and supporting various life forms. Again, by clicking the book symbol, you can turn back the blue card. Okay, now again on tapping, you will get the next one, various life forms. Again, if you want to see the same, you can see what is the importance of soil. What is the first word? Soil. And second one, critical, renewable. And third word is renewable resource. And the fourth one, plant growth. And fifth one, various life forms. Okay, now we move ahead to the sixth one. Not inert. So, on what context this word is coming? Is soil inert or a living system? Soil is not inert. So, it is a living system. So, it teems with life. It teems with life. Okay, now again, I am clicking the book symbol, turning back. You click the I button. You can see the soil is not inert. So many things grows in it. It supports so many things. So here I have given some plants there on top. So therefore it is not inert. It teems with life. Life of plants, life of animals, life of humans like us. Okay, so next one. And it teems with life. Okay, so next one. Soil formation. So if you read the question, it will come like this. How is soil formed? Soil formation is a prolonged process. It takes millions of years. It is influenced by relief, topography, parent rock, climate, time, vegetation, and other life forms. Okay, now we have to take all the keywords in it and we have to learn one by one. Okay, how is soil formed? Soil is formed, it's a prolonged process. See, in the research laboratory, they have found out how many years it has taken for the soil formation. So it's a prolonged process. If I tap, I'll get the next word. It takes millions of years to form soil. And next one, relief. So if you want to see what is relief, you can see the formation of the rocks, the formation of the mountains. See, all these things are called relief. And on tapping the blue screen, again I'm getting parent rock. So if you want to see the picture of the rock, you can see the rock. Okay, then climate. See, you can imagine the relief, a big mountain in which there is a big parent rock, and parent rock is covered by clouds that will remind you climate. And on the clouds, you can see clocks. So you can see some clocks on the clouds like this. That will remind you time. And then vegetation. So inside the clock, what grows? So lots of plants grow. So that shows you vegetation. So you can imagine like this. And then other life forms like animals, humans like us. So again, if you want to read the question and the full thing, you can click the book symbol on the right top corner. How is soil formed? Soil formation is a prolonged process. It takes millions of years. It is influenced by relief. See, all these words will create some image in your mind now. So that will help you to remember. You can take more time to visualize them in your mind's eye. Then parent rock, then climate, time, vegetation, and other life forms. See, when I'm reading this, you can recollect the images what you have seen already. Okay, again I'm clicking the book symbol, turning back the page. See, other life forms, if you want to see it as a picture, see, you can see. Animals and plants, even humans also. There are also other life forms. Okay. Now, shaping soil. So how is, okay, let us see what is the context here, shaping soil. What are the forces shaping the soil. So there are six things which shapes the soil. One is temperature change. Second one, running water, wind, and glaciers. And third one, activities of decomposer organisms. And fourth one, chemical and organic changes within the soil. Okay, now again I am clicking the book symbol, turning back the page, shaping soil. Okay, so someone is shaping the soil. So it gives the word, no, how the soil is shaped. Just by looking at the picture, we can get the word. Okay, first one, what are the factors influencing and shaping the soil? Temperature change. So you can visualize a thermometer for that. So you are using a thermometer and measuring the temperature of the soil. Next one, running water. So water is running on the soil. You can visualize that. See, you can imagine like this. And next one, wind. You can imagine wind blowing. So here so many kites are flying. So that will remind you wind. And then glaciers. So sorry, I think I have gone to the next one. I cannot go back. So when you see it next time, you can see that. Then decomposer organisms. What is that? See, all the insects and all the dead things, no, they all go waste in the mud, and they are all called humus. That is what is called organic matter, and here it is called decomposer organisms. So in Tamil they call it makki pochin solluvaanga. Am I right? So that is what is decomposer organisms. And the next one, chemical changes. So chemical changes and organic changes within the soil. Okay, so what is a chemical change? We can see the color changes, the substances changes, and then organic changes. So plants, they die out and then they dried and they combine with the mud and they changes the composition of the mud, the soil. Okay, all these things you can visualize by looking at these pictures. Then soil composition. What is soil composition? So what are the composition of soil? Soil contains both organic matter, humus, and inorganic materials. Okay, suppose you want to see them as a picture. Turn the page back. Now click the I button. Soil composition. What are the composition of the soil? Okay, first one is organic matter, humus. See, all the death items, no, plants, animals, and even we human beings are buried after death. See, we all, what we can say, it is biodegradable, isn't it? So therefore they combine with the soil and changes the composition of the soil. So organic matters are present in it. And then inorganic materials. What is inorganic material? So you might have learnt about minerals, ores, and all these substances. They are all inorganic substances. For example, iron is extracted from iron ore called hematite. So like this, each and every element, no, that is extracted from its ore, that is an inorganic material. So you can visualize that all these things are present in. So both inorganic and organic matters are present in the soil. That is what is a composition. The organic matters are called humus. That's it. See? What are the composition of the soil? Soil contains both organic matter and inorganic matters. Okay. See, what you can do is, you putting the slide button on tab, any number of times you can learn again and again until you learn this chapter very well. So once you learn it very well, what you can do now is you can change the thing to automatic and then you can give finish. So now the time gap you can give us 1 second or 3. See, I just put it at 3 seconds. Okay. So now what I'm doing is, okay, let me finish this. Again you come out and then again you go back. Now you change it to automatic here. From on tap you change it to automatic And then time gap, you can give 1 second to any number of seconds. So let us say I'm giving you 3 seconds. Now if I give start without touching that blue screen, every 3 seconds the word will come automatically. So you can see now. See, I given start soil. What is after soil? It's a critical renewable. What is the next one? Natural resource. What is the next word? Plant growth. It supports plant growth and various life forms. Is it a living thing? Yes, it is not inert. It teems with life. How is soil formed? Soil formation. It's a prolonged process. It takes millions of years. And its formation is influenced by relief, parent rock, climate, time, vegetation, then other life forms. Then what are the things shaping the soil? Temperature change, then running water, then wind, then glaciers, and then it is the decomposer organisms, chemical changes, and organic changes within the soil. Then soil composition, organic matters, no, humus, and then inorganic materials. That's it. Now what you can do is you can click the button finish. So immediately an empty page will come. What you need to do, you have to type all the answers, all the keywords, what you had seen on the screen one by one in the same order. So here the first letter will be the capital letter always. That you have to be careful because it is case sensitive. The uppercase and lower cases are very important. Otherwise, even though your answer is correct, it may give you wrong. What you need to do, you can type all the, now we had seen 27 words in this. You have to type it in the same order. Okay, what is the first word? We learn about soil. What is the second one? What is the importance of soil? So it is a critical renewable we have seen. Okay, critical. See, I put comma also and then space renewable. Okay, that's the second one. And third one, what we are saying, it is a natural resource. Natural then fourth one, what is it? It is essential for what? It is essential for plant growth. Okay, what is the fifth one? And also it supports what? Various life forms. See, various life forms. Here I am writing various V, a small letter. So instead of capital V, I have put small v. Let us see when it corrects what it does. See, like this, you can go on writing all the answers, all the 27 answers. See, what is the last two words? Again, we write soil. Soil 25th is soil composition. Yes, composition. Okay, this should be small c only. Okay, composition. Okay, then 26th was organic matter. Organic matter, space, then comma, not comma, bracket, humus, space, bracket closed, and then the last one, what? Inorganic materials. Inorganic material. See, I have left out many things. Here. And if you submit, that will give you the corrected answer sheet. See, I'm clicking the submit button here now. See. So it is giving first 4 correct. And fifth one is also correct, but we have put instead of capital V, small v, that is why it is giving wrong. and all other things missed, we have not written the answer. And 25th one, we have written it correctly. And 26th also, we have written it correctly. And 27th, inorganic, I don't know, we made some spelling mistake or not. Some mistakes here, I don't know what it is exactly. And okay, what all the things we have written, and that correctly, that is shown in green color, and what all the things we written wrongly, that come written wrongly and also missed out, are coming in red color, and the correct answer comes in yellow color. Now again, if you click view results, so you can see 6 correct, wrong 2, and missed 19 words we have not written, though 19 plus 2, 21 words we have missed out. So that is what we can see the score here. So every time you can take the same test again and again. Every time the score will be stored here. If you want it, what you can do is you can go to the front page. So you can see you are seeing an eye here. What you can do is you can click on that, and you can take the printout also. See, on top there is a print symbol. By clicking that, you can take the printout of your score sheet also. So like this, for each and every chapter, for every question, I am giving all the keywords and question answers and what all the things required, the pictures, everything to memorize. And if you know my memory technique very well, it is easy for you to ask question and associate all the words in an order. It becomes very easy to learn and remember for a longer period. Okay, so once you have done it, what you can do is, so in the same thing, suppose you learn this chapter very well, what you can do is, today you learnt about soil. So here in the front page of the app, add entry is there. You can click add entry. So today's date 20 March 2024 is there, and add entry here. You can write soil introduction. Soil introduction chapter you have learned. See here, first day, third day, 7th day, 15th day, 30th day, it is all clicked. There's a given tick mark. That means after these many days, that will show you to revise this topic automatically. You need not worry about that. And at the bottom, what you can see, add event, you can click that button. So that is stored there. Suppose you view calendar. So you learned today. So if you click 21st March and click OK, that will show you soil introduction. You have to revise on 21st. See, suppose you revised, you can put the tick mark here in the box against that cell, soil introduction. If you have not revised, you can just leave it as it is. That will appear as green mark. If you revise, that will turn into green. If you have not revised, that will turn into red. So like this, no? See, if you start using this app, you will be learning so many things. So I will be explaining you one after the other as and when it is required. I think it's too long, 23 minutes already. So we can cut down this video with this, and we will continue with the next one. I will explain you the functionalities of this app one by one very clearly later. It is just for the beginning. I just made an introduction here. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.